We are going to prove 1 equals 2, but how? A great way to show 1 equals 2, just let A equals B. Let me write it here. A equals B. Then multiply both sides by A. It is going to be A times A left hand side equals A times B right hand side. A times A is going to be A squared equals A times B is A B. Next, subtract B squared from both sides. It is going to be A squared minus B squared left hand side equals AB minus B squared right hand side. Left hand side, difference of 2 squared. It can be written in the form of A minus B times A plus B equals right hand side. The greatest common factor is B. So I write B here. Factor it out from this expression. AB divided by B is A minus B squared divided by B is B. Now a basic math rule let us to cancel this AB, A minus B from both sides, which means left hand side divided by A minus B. Also right hand side divided by A minus B. This one and this one can be cancelled off. So left hand side is going to be A plus B. Right hand side, this one and this one can be cancelled off. So right hand side we have B. At the beginning we let A equals B. So this A equals B. I write here B plus B equals B. Left hand side, B plus B is 2B equals right hand side B. Now dividing both sides by B. This B and this B can be cancelled off. Left hand side we have 2 and B over B is 1. We prove it. But in the comments below, let me know what's wrong here.